So this is a live demonstration of our technical project FlowStat. We have a power bank powering our microcontroller and two sound sensors. The sensor to your left is to detect the number of flushes. The sensor to your right is to detect the sink usage. I will now flush the toilet and I will now use the sink. Alright, and now this data is then sent to the database.
Now that you've seen our hardware, let's take a look at what's happening behind the scenes. First, I'll show you the program running on our microcontroller. The first function allows the microcontroller to contact the Firebase real-time database. This function also organizes our data in the real-time database. The next function simply connects our microcontroller to the network. In our main function, you can see that we connect to the network and assign pins 26 and 27 to the sound sensors. Next, you can see that our database updates and counts are reset every hour. After that, we are constantly listening to the sound sensors to detect either a flush or sink usage. Every time that a sound sensor picks something up that is above the threshold, it will register a count. Next, I'll demonstrate how to use our FlowStat application. This application will be the main interface that the sanitation departments will use and can only read data from the database. Keep in mind that this product is targeted to facilities with multiple washrooms. Therefore, the first thing that the user is prompted with is to enter a washroom name. Let's enter washroom 1. We're then given some options. I'll demonstrate what each option does one at a time. Let's start with option 1. We're then prompted to enter a date. I'll enter the date of our last test. As you can see, option 1 shows all hours that have over 30 usages. We found that 30 usages per hour is above average traffic for a washroom. Let's try the section option and use the same date. As you can see, it gives us more information, showing the toilet usage and sink usage individually. At 12, you could see that the total usages were less than 30. That's why it didn't show up as an entry in option 1. Let's see if the toilet flush and sink usage that was demonstrated earlier was registered into the database. Let's choose option 2 and enter the date. As you can see, both the toilet flush and sink usage were registered successfully. Option 3 allows us to change what washroom we're getting information on, and option 4 simply closes the application. And that was a demonstration of our technical project, FlowStat.